Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to create new Venmo account full guide. So step number 1 is to download the Venmo application. To do that, just go to App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, and then just search for Venmo and download the application. Step 2 is to open the application and get started. To do that, just launch the Venmo application. Tap on sign in or sign up to create a new account. So you can see this, and then you just have to put here your email, then tap on next. For step number 3 is to choose account type. You can select the type of account that you want. It's either personal account for everyday use or business account for business transactions only. Step number 4 is to enter your information. Provide your email address or mobile number, create a secure password, enter your full name, and this is optional, but you can also upload a profile picture. So this is how it looks like. Now for step number 5 is to verify your phone number or email. So Venmo will send you a verification code. It looks something like this. And then you just have to enter the code in the application to verify your account. Step number 6 is to link a payment method. Add a bank account. It can be debit or credit card to your Venmo account. And then just follow the on-screen instructions to connect your payment method. So you can see this. You just have to tap on this one, the add bank or card. For step number 7 is to set up additional security. You can enable two-factor authentication. This is optional, but it is recommended. And you can also set a PIN or use biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for quick access. And lastly is to start using Venmo. Once your account is set up and verified, you can go ahead and send and receive money, split bills, and make payments. And lastly is to customize payment messages with emojis. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!